Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a little vlog. I will be going to the supermarket. I'm not sure what else I'll be doing, to be honest, but yeah, that's the main thing that I'll be doing today. Not much because I have quite a few stuff already. I'm just going to like top up on what I have at home already, so I will definitely take you guys along with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend about my channel. Yeah, so come along with me today. I'm going on the road to take a taxi. It's a very windy day. Windy. My handbag and my little shopping bag. So guys, I'm on the road now waiting for a taxi. Hope it won't take long because it's kind of late. It's 2:14 p.m. Yes, so I should have gone already. So I'm waiting on a taxi now. So when I get a taxi, then I'll take out back the camera. Or when I reach my destination. Pull it up now. Oh, you can't go no further. Watch out. Where are you going, sir? Oh, yeah. Happy face tissue. I want 6 of these. What's that? Guys, this is my favorite Irix that I used to wash the dishes. Lemon or lemon. I guess that's Spanish or another language, but this is the one that I love to use. Put it this way. Putting all these ones up this side so I don't mix them with the food. And about a big vanilla lasco. Oh, oops. Alright, so that's 6. I hope you guys heard me because I have to be wearing the mask. Guys, I want to buy eggs, but I don't normally purchase them in here. This is a Chinese supermarket. I prefer to purchase it in another supermarket. But these are the ones that they have. I need one of these. Let's make soup. Of these instead. I prefer to buy 3 so I won't have to buy it for a while because I cook soup maybe once per week or once every 2 weeks, so or more, like less than that. So I'm taking 3 instead of 1. These are what I have so far. Not going to take much things, as I said, because I have some things already. I'm just topping up on what I need, like tissue. So this can last us for maybe 2 weeks, like the 6 tissues. Soap. Nothing special about this soap, just Lasco. I don't remember if I have soap right, so I'm just taking it up just in case. So this is 4. I love this flavor, this scent, and this one, the yellow. And I need a case of water, but I'm going to have to order that at the cashier, so one of the young men in the supermarket can take the case of sweet water to me. So yeah. Oh, and I need a cinnamon crackers because I love this with vanilla tea in the nights. So yeah. So saying why I have this trolley and I'm not buying much. I can't bother to lift it up. So I prefer to use the trolley. So yeah, but I like the other bread. I'll show you the bread that I normally buy. So yeah guys, I don't want any bun or those pastry stuff. So yeah. Don't think I want anything else in here. I wanted to get a few things in another supermarket, but that line is too long for me, so I guess I'm going to have to do with what I wanted in there. Just work with the Chinese man there. I had to come back in this aisle because I forgot something, which it doesn't look like they have it, you know. I want blue soap, like blue soap, but not this one. They sell, I think it's last year or something like that, with 4 in the pack. That's the one that I normally buy for white clothes. But I don't see they have those ones, but I don't want those ones. So If I had known, I would have gone to the other supermarket and just buy the little stuff that I wanted there instead of coming here and then having to go back to another supermarket. Oh, me out of breath and me just reach. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna try to get it at the other supermarket because I prefer. Oh, never mind. See it here. Comment below if you guys ever purchased this before. If you guys use this, it's 4 packs with 4 blue soap in there. This one, it always have one color like this with dollar. You realize it's not so blue, but I love to use this. I'm gonna try it. I don't even see the price, but I think it's about $100 or $200. Not reach 300. No sir, I don't think so. So yeah, this is the one that I like last year. So thank God I don't have to go into another supermarket to get that. I might have to purchase my egg at another supermarket. If I had known, I would have gone to that supermarket and purchased everything, because I prefer those eggs up there than the ones down here. But so I go. This is normally my main supermarket, but I've started to try another one. Because me I follow back on my sister. She normally go up there, so me go up there with her. So yeah. Some saltfish at home, so I need a baked bean. Not going to purchase more than one for now. And the good old Grace. So guys, I'm going into the bakery. Well, they have the bakery downstairs, but this is where they sell them. Alright, thanks. So guys, this is the bread that I buy. Some for $500 Jamaican dollars. The supermarket that I went to buy the egg just now, they're temporarily closed. So I'm going in another supermarket. I'm gonna try to get the egg. I've never purchased it here before. Oh, I'm having one of them I don't like to. Sure. Oh brother. Alright, let me check them and see if me can buy it here, because me can't be walk up and down. And then one here normally small. Let me check them and see how them stay. Me hand them out there and dry. I use too much bleach. Guys, am I the only one that switches out the eggs? Get the ones that suit me. My battery almost died. It went to 2%, so I had to stop filming. But yeah, I'm home now. I haven't changed already. I wanted to come out of the clothes that I was in. But yeah, I liked it. I was just unpacking these and see, I realized I had to. I was kind of rushing out because I had something as place to catch by 2 p.m. So I didn't really get to check. I had to catch the bank by 2, so I didn't get to check if I had soap. So I bought these 4, but I have 2, but nothing wrong. It can last for a few, last longer than these. So now I have 6 soaps, so at least that will last a while. I won't have to buy tissue for a little bit more longer than usual time. Not tissue, sorry, soap. And I still didn't get to catch the place, so because someone else did what I needed to do already. So if I had known, I would have stayed back to double check the things, because normally I would check what I have at home, so I don't buy what I already have. Check what can last, stuff like those. But anyway, it's not like they're going to waste, they're going to be used up. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend about my channel. And yeah, share the videos as well and comment if I haven't said that already. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one. So until next time, bye.